Drinking cola every day can have a number of potential effects on your health. Here are a few things to consider. Weight gain. Cola is high in calories and sugar, which can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excess. Drinking cola every day could lead to an increase in your daily caloric intake, which can make it difficult to maintain a healthy weight. Tooth decay. Cola is also high in sugar and acidic, which can lead to tooth decay over time. This is especially true if you consume cola frequently throughout the day. Increased risk of diabetes. Drinking cola every day can also increase your risk of developing type 2 diabetes. The high sugar content in cola can cause spikes in blood sugar levels, which can lead to insulin resistance and eventually diabetes. Dehydration. Cola contains caffeine, which is a diuretic that can cause dehydration if consumed in excess. If you're drinking cola every day, you may need to drink more water to stay properly hydrated. Other health risks. Drinking cola every day has also been linked to a number of other health risks, including an increased risk of heart disease, liver damage, and certain types of cancer. Overall, drinking cola every day is not recommended for good health. If you do choose to drink cola, it's best to do so in moderation and to balance it out with other healthy habits like regular exercise and a balanced diet.